Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to make a factory reset by the buttons with the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So first of all, we have to off the phone. And then wait until it's completely off. And then let me show you how you can reset the phone with the buttons. In case your phone, maybe you cannot on it and so on, you can just try this way. Okay. We need the power button and the volume up button. Press these both buttons for the same time and hold it until you can see the Huawei logo, and then you will remove your fingers and you will enter a special menu like this. Okay, first of all you can steer it with your finger. Otherwise, if maybe the display doesn't work, you can also go down with the volume down button and go up with the volume up button. To confirm what you can do with the power button. Okay, you can reboot the system in case you want to try it again, if you have maybe a problem on your phone, if it works or not. And in case it doesn't work, you have to restore the phone. So then go on wipe data factory reset. So now he's asking you, pretty sure, because you will erase all the data and so on. So confirm it with wipe data factory reset. And now he's doing the reset. So this one will take a while. Meanwhile, maybe let me tell you that this would be very nice if you give me maybe a thumbs up or a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much. I have also some other videos for the Huawei Mate 10 Lite because it's a very nice phone, some instructions how to take a screenshot and so on and so on. If you're interested in, maybe you can have a look for. So after this process now, you will restart the phone. And we are actually at, I don't know if you can see this, we are actually at 80%, 84, 85, 86. And then you have to enter the Google email address. So it's as you bought it brand new without any data and so on. And if you have a problem before, then you can retry if it works or not. If not, you have to return it or to repair it or whatever. Now it has erased all the data. And now you have to go on Reboot System and he will start now from the beginning. This would take a bit time normally after you restore after you delete the phone, after you make a hard reset with the phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, maybe you can leave me a nice comment or thumbs up as I asked you already. It would be very, very nice. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao.